If you are someone who hates asking your parents for money, listen to me carefully. Because what I'm about to share can actually help you start earning in college itself. But earning in college isn't just about extra income, that's just the byproduct. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different side hustles you can earn money from. If you're in college or about to enter college after 12th, this is literally the best time to start because you have time, internet, and nothing to lose. So instead of just scrolling and consuming content every day, let's talk about 5 side hustles that can actually start making you money. If you have no or very low skills, you can start with these side hustles first. Number 1, online home tuitions. There are parents out there who are ready to pay rupees 500 to 1500 rupees per hour for a good online tutors. Especially in the US, a lot of parents look for online math tutors for their kids. So if you're good at maths and can explain concepts clearly in English, online tutoring is something you should definitely consider. If you get a US client, you can earn anywhere around $15 to $50 per hour, depending upon the grade level you teach. Second, virtual assistant. When you watch a YouTube video, you can only see the final result. But behind that, there is a lot of back-end work happening. Captions, replying to comments, emails, posting, and that's where the job of a virtual assistant comes in. Basically, you are helping a creator or a business with their daily tasks. You can do all of this just by sitting at home right from your laptop. Number 3, photography. In fields where the equipment is expensive, the earning potential is also high. And photography is one of them. So a lot of restaurants and small brands need good photos for Instagram, Swiggy and Zomato menus, and many of them don't even care if you use a professional camera. If you have a decent iPhone or a smartphone with a good camera, you're good to go. You can approach local cafe, clothing stores, skincare brands and offer to shoot aesthetic photos and UGC reels for their social media pages. Brands today prefer natural looking video shot on phones. It feels more authentic and brands are ready to pay lakhs for high quality UGC content. You can easily charge around 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees for a video. As you get better and build a good portfolio, you can start charging more and work with more bigger brands. But the catch here is that these side hustles won't make you rich. They're great to start but not enough to replace a full-time high-paying job. So if you want higher income, you need to learn real high-value skills. And that takes us to the next one. Second, building websites. Every business today, whether it's a cafe, gym, clothing brand, needs a website. And most of them don't even know how to build one. You don't even need to code in the beginning. There are tools like WordPress, Wix, where you can just drag and drop elements and your website is ready. And slowly, you can also learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and build a few simple projects and create your portfolio. And in the beginning, don't just wait for clients to come to you. Go out and find them. Reach out to local cafes, small businesses, and Instagram pages. Create a free demo website for them. Show them how their brand can look better online. And once they see what you can actually do, that's when they will be ready to pay. Because brands will only pay you if you can actually add value to their brand. Number 3, video editing. Now this one, it takes a lot of time. You will spend hours cutting clips, adding transitions, syncing music, fixing mistakes. So yeah, this is not the easiest side hustle, but it has high earning potential. If you're creative, patient, and enjoy working on videos, then this can go from a side hustle to a serious income skill, which can make you earn 30k to 1 lakh rupees a month. And if you get US-based clients, you can even earn up to 4 lakh rupees a month. Number 4. Internships. Paid internships are great, not just for earning money, but also put you in touch with the real world, about how the industry actually works and how the things are done in real life. So pay attention to your interest. If you're someone interested in, let's say, AI, coding, or robotics, you're already more useful in the market than you think you are. Start building projects from the first year itself and keep applying. Apart from the projects, 2 other things that make your resume look great are hackathons and open source contributions. And even if internships don't help you figure out what you actually want to do, you at least get to know what you don't want to do. The mistake people make here is that they will apply to 5 to 10 places, get rejected, and then stop. That's not how it works. You need to at least apply to 50 to 100 places to land even one. You can use platforms like Internshala, Unstop, and apply everywhere, like literally everywhere. And many companies don't expect you to know everything. They just want someone who shows effort, learns fast, and actually gets the work done. You can earn up to anywhere between 5k a month to 50k depending upon the experience you build over time. Even if the stipend is small at first, you should still go for internships. It will build your confidence and will obviously add to your resume. Also, have an online presence. Set up your LinkedIn profile and post consistently about your project updates, even wins. Because when opportunities come, people should be able to find you. And it's not just about LinkedIn. You can also build your personal brand on Instagram. When you consistently share your work, your ideas, your journey, you become visible to brands and recruiters. And that brings us to the next one, content creation. This is the era of content. There has never been a better time to start. And for people who keep saying, I don't know what to post, I don't have a niche, listen, if you're 19, that itself is a niche. Just start posting your journey, your daily life, what you're learning. Because there are thousands of people who are exactly where you are right now. And they relate to you. You don't need a perfect niche for that. You just need to start. Now, for the people who are passionate about making videos but don't want to use their face, you can start creating AI or UGC videos. I'm sure you must have seen AI reels on Instagram, and trust me, they are not that hard to make. Brands and pages are constantly looking for content. So if you get good at this, you can literally get paid to create UGC videos for them. But keep in mind, there are already a lot of people creating UGC content. So if you want brands to actually notice you and pay you, you need to stand out from the crowd. Pick one niche like skincare, food, fitness, or fashion and just focus on it. Post UGC reels about them regularly and your Instagram page will become your portfolio. Brands will see your work and they will directly reach out to you or offer you work. So if you're thinking about starting, stop thinking and start now. Now the question is, out of all of these side hustles, which one should you choose? You don't figure it out by thinking. You figure it out by doing. Try one thing. Pick just one side hustle, give it a month or two, and with time you will figure out if it's actually your thing or not. If you're already clear that you want a tech job, start coding from first year. Start building early. The competition right now, it's insane. The entire youth is looking for jobs. You don't need to stand out. So projects here play a very important role. You can show what you have built, and not just by studying. Building, experimenting, and learning by doing from day one. Because the earlier you start building, the faster you get ahead. So let me know in the comments which skill you are going to start with, and just begin even if it feels small. Consistency is what turns small steps into the big results. And if you want to know more about tech, college, and career, do hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.